Wow, do you know what that stands for? Most Obscene Mothers. That's not right. Week of Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we got for you. When does it start, you ask? It's Tuesday, September 6th, after Labor Day weekend, after the long break. Lounge Showcase. That's what we got first. Reopening. Take a look at that. Old pool table. What do we have? We got a new one for you. Xboxes. We got an old one. What are we going to get? We're going to get a new one. 360. You guys ever get hungry when you're playing video games? I do. This is what we got for you guys. Snacks. Where is it going to be? Lounge BR Building from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Why? Because we appreciate you and we need to do some things for the students. Not enough? We got more. Day 2 game day, Science Building, room 127 from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. What are we going to have? Xbox Connect, pinball, arcade games, Need for Speed, and double shot basketball. Still not enough. Day 3, Thursday, fashion show, Rip the Runway. It's sponsored by student government. It's going to be at the amphitheater. Starts at 12:30. It's nothing like you've seen before. It's not your everyday fashion show. What else do we got going on then? We got gender wars, military wear, bookstore fashion, whatever that is, I don't know. Come figure it out. And because that 1 week wasn't enough, we're continuing it on to the next one. Monday and Tuesday, September 12th to the 13th. This is what's happening. You ever get like really excited for something? You just like want to jump around and flare your arms? Club Rush. That's what's next. You like what I'm doing? You see how I'm involved? That's what you got to do. Get involved. Take that initial step. The college is more than willing to meet you halfway. Go to the club, sign up, get involved. Come on out, man. We're going to have some nice food. Boom. We're going to have some live music. Jamil from the talent show, he's going to be there. Zoe Riders, it's from 10 to 3. It's at the amphitheater, and there's more. New students, this is for you, okay? Wednesday the 14th. All right, it's the last event right there. We got our mixer coming up, man. Mix it up with your faculty and staff. It's going to be fun. Your teachers are people too. They have lives. Get to know them. Get involved with them. It's going to be at the Science Building from 1:27. When? From 11:30 to 2 o'clock. Remember, new students, that's for you. It's not for the old guys. Sorry about that. Stop by for a good bite to eat, some nice conversation, and that is it for Wow Fest, Week of Welcome, okay? That's what it is. It's not Most Obscene Mothers. I hope to see you guys there. I'm going to be there myself. See you later.